Hello students, welcome back to another video regarding the information about Teachment app. In this video, we will learn how to work effectively as a student on Teachment app. So let's begin. So here I am opening the Teachment app. Here is the logo. So when you'll click it, you'll get the first wall of your Teachment with all the classrooms you have enrolled in. Like this is for class 4, so 9 classrooms will be there, right? Of class 4. So now here today is Sunday, so here what message is highlighted here? No live classes scheduled today. Okay, otherwise if it is any other day, like for example Sunday, so no classes. If it is Monday, so you will get all the classes and the events like the 4 classes name and the timing and the teacher's name over here. So it is very easy for you to join the class and the time to get the time when the class will get started. And you don't have to type the ID, nothing you have to do. You simply have to click the class. For example, for 24 Monday, if you have a maths class first, right? So you just have to click Ma'am Tarannum's class 4 maths. Okay, you just have to see the timetable first. I'll show you again. What you have to do, you have to view your complete timetable. Okay, and you see, okay, the first class is of Ma'am Tarannum. Then you have to just go back and you have to click Ma'am Tarannum's class 4 over here. And then you have to simply click join live. In this way, you'll be able to join the class. So when you join the class, like children, okay, just now your teacher is not there in the class, fine, no problem. But here down there, you can see there are 3 buttons here. Mic, that should always be closed, children, so that there is discipline in the class. And you have, when you have to ask any question, you can click on the mic and speak. Okay, and when you have asked your question, you can click your mic again to switch off your mic. Okay, and this is the video button, you can see, and your video should always be on. Okay, right, and this is the switch button. With the help of that, you can switch your picture on the screen, right children? So this is the way your class will look, right? Now just now I'm leaving the class. Now some important things about the tabs given on the top. Okay, now whenever you click any classroom, you can see following tabs on the top. Just see on the top of the screen: summary, recordings, test, students, chat, notice board, assignments, study material. Okay, so these are some important tabs. Let's study about them. First is summary tab. Summary tab will give you the information about your classroom. For example, this is class 4 maths. Classroom ID is also available, but you don't need it again and again ID, because once you have enrolled in the class, you don't need to type the ID again, right? And this is the timetable of your class, of your maths. Okay, for example, just now we are talking about class 4 maths. So here is the timetable. You can easily follow this timetable, look at the timetable and join the class on time. And about the teacher also, here about the teacher, you can get her qualification, her details about the teacher who is teaching you. And then about the classroom, I have written here, in this maths classroom we will cover the whole course from the maths book as per ICSE syllabus, and we would also do chapter assignments, practice tests, query and doubt sessions, and have video lessons also. Okay, so this summary, the summary tab will give you the whole summary of the classroom and the teacher and the timetable, okay, and the subject. And from here only you have to join live the class. Now second thing which comes here is the recordings. Now whatever your teacher is teaching, if she is recording it, then you will get the recording of her lecture, every day's lecture, every day's class over here, and that will remain here for within 24 hours. It will appear on the wall here under recordings. And if you have missed any class by chance because of the network problem or any other reason, then within 24 hours or 1 or 2 days, try seeing the lecture under recordings, and try to get the knowledge of the class, what is taught in the class, right? And don't be late in seeing the recordings. Then comes the test tab. When you click the test tab, no, always whenever your teacher is giving you any test, okay, she may be giving you any notice, or always whenever a test is planned, you will get notifications. Okay, so here children, I have given here the 2 tests here. All right, so simply when you see the test, you have to click the test here. Okay, so test date is given, the timing is given, it is given for 24 hours. I've given you have a multiplication test of the tables to 11 to 15. So here is the image of the test. This is the test I prepared for you. All right, children, and you have to solve it. Okay, now how to submit it? You have to click add submission here. Then you can click straight from the camera any picture of the document, okay? Or if you don't want that, then you can add submission through images. You can go take any image from the gallery. First of all, you have to click the photograph and that image will come in the gallery, and through the gallery and the photographs you can take the image like this, right children? Or you can submit through the document. Okay, you have to click documents, and then here in the search bar you can type which test you want. Maths test. Okay, so it has come on the top here, maths test. So I have already made a PDF through Cam Scanner so that you know how to make the PDF. So first of all, you have to write the answers on a paper. You have to click the photograph, make the PDF through any PDF maker app, and then you can upload it here. So this is my document. So here children, I have uploaded my PDF. You can see down here, and down here is a submit button that I have to click, and in this way you can see solution uploaded successfully. So in this way you can submit it, and when your teacher will check it, then you will again get a notification in your mobile. And down here you can see general knowledge. Here I have checked some papers here, right? Here I have checked some papers. Okay, so here this way you get graded 15 on 15. If your teacher will check, and then will after checking you will get a notification on your mobile, and also how much marks she has given you, that will appear over here like this. Okay, just now you have submitted, so it will be written submitted, and when you'll get the marks from the teacher, you will be getting here graded this much out of the total marks, right children? So now here, then when you click the students tab, you will have the list of all the students present in your class. You can see who are your classmates here, right? Then chat box here, teacher has set the chats to teachers only teacher can send the message. Okay, because unnecessary chatting will be done, so this is logged. Teachers will only use it for giving you the message. Now notice board is very important children. That is the thing which you have to look daily. Daily two three things you have to look daily. That is about the test, about the notice board, and also the study material what she is posting. Right, now here I have given you assignments for the half-yearly portion done till date are uploaded in the study material under documents, and also video lessons. All this notice teacher will give you over here, and then you can go through, and then you can continue doing your work, right? Now assignments is again something children which needs to be submitted. For example, here the assignment of computer practical I had given here. This is my maths classroom, but just for explaining I have uploaded here computer. Otherwise each classroom, like maths classroom, will have only the maths work, science classroom science work, computer classroom only computer work. Like this you will get. Just for explaining I have added here. So here children, for example here, like this, again over here you can add submission, and here you can add an image, you can add a document. I've shown you in the previous test, under the test heading I have shown you how to submit, and this way you can upload any like this. And then children, like I have uploaded a PDF and one image also, and then if I click here submit button, that will be submitted. Okay, yes, okay, so here I will just submit one here. So assignment submission uploaded successfully. Like this you will get. Now here if your teacher will grade you know, then your grading will also come. So when I have submitted, my teacher has graded me, I got here 0 on 10. Okay, so she didn't like my this thing, so she has given me the grades. So accordingly she can give you any number over here. Okay, whatever grades. All right, this is just for explanation. I have just put up this for you. Now most important here is the study material children. You have 3 tabs over here: video, YouTube videos, images, and documents. Children, for maths I have put all the documents starting from this when we started with the half-yearly portion. Okay, that is from 3rd May. From there, whatever assignments I've given for maths, I have put it over here children, as you can see it in the line here. Okay, you will get it all. Every new assignment will come on the top. Images, if teacher will wants to show any image or picture, she will post it over here. And YouTube videos, the videos related to your chapters will be uploaded by the teacher, and you can see it over here. You simply have to just click it, and it will start, and you can have the lessons here, right, like this, and you can view it. Documents also, you just simply have to click the PDF here, okay, and then it will get downloaded, and then you have to click it and you can see your PDF here. The arrow button is given, you can see next, next, next. You can see all the answers here like this, right children? So this way you can see all the assignments over here, all the PDFs sent by your teacher under the study material. Okay, so daily she'll be posting, she'll be writing in the notice board also, and you'll be getting the notification every time for every action she has taken in this classroom. You will get a notification. So I'm just coming back to the summary wall here. This is the main wall here. Okay children, one more thing, viewing timetable daily is very important children. You can view the timetable, you view the time of the classes, and you can easily join the classes children here. Now children, here on the top you can see top, you just see here a bell icon is there where notifications are there. So whatever your teacher is giving you, notice board she's writing, you will get a notification here. Study material she's posting anything, you will get a notification over here. Okay, all this notification, your test dates, your assignments dates, if you have been graded by your teacher, your assignment is checked, what marks you're getting, everything, every notification you will get. So don't forget to see it daily, the notification bell, okay, the class timetable, and whenever you click any class children, then all this what is most important, the recordings, if you want to see the recordings, okay, the test, okay, and the notice board, what your teacher has given any notice to you, any assignment she has posted for you, or the study material which is very important for your studies, right? So now I'm just moving coming on the first wall of this. Now down here you can see classroom is written here and account is there. If you click account children, here your profile is there. Now if you click profile, if you want to make any changes children, it's good that you write your class and section first and then this. If you have not written like that, you can click on the account and then you can click here and you can make changes. First write your class, then section, and then your name, and your parents mobile number should be there, and here your class should be mentioned, okay. And then after doing this changes, you can click save and update. Okay, so your profile will be updated. Alright children, so this way you can use this Teachment app successfully for an effective learning all in one platform. You will get everything at one place. The test, the assignments, the study materials, the online classes, the recordings, the timetable, okay, everything and notification all at one place. So do use it effectively for effective online learning in this time when we are having virtual classes, right children? So I hope you have understood. Thank you.